Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. During Chinese New Year, you always have a lot of leftover roast pork, roast meat, or whatever. So Appa today also have some poached chicken, some fried chicken, and also some roast pork. So I don't want to waste it. So today I'm going to create a second life for them by stir frying with some Chinese leeks, yeah, and a little bit of few slices of red chili and a bit of garlic. Alright, this is going to be a very simple and very fast dish. Okay, put some oil in the cold wok, then raise the heat. If you are using stainless steel wok, then you have to put the oil inside your cold wok, okay? So we will saute our garlic. You just want to infuse the oil with some garlic smell. Then my mixed roast meat. You can put in whatever roast meat you have at home. Chinese New Year, we have a lot of this. Yeah, a lot of this. Don't waste them, okay? Or you can braise them also, yeah? Using light soya sauce. Okay. Okay, let me turn down the heat a little bit. Where's my dark soya sauce? I suddenly cannot find my dark soya sauce. Let me off the fire first. Okay, I found it. Okay, turn down the fire a little bit. Give it 2-3 tablespoons of dark soya sauce. A little bit of light soya sauce. And my CNY. Put it aside. Okay, CNY. Then we raise the heat again. Okay, let's give it a bit of salt. Bit of salt. A little bit of sugar. Okay. And I'm going to put in my leek and chili slices. Smells so fragrant. I have the caramelized dark soya sauce. Okay. You don't have to stir fry the leek for a long time. Even just for 1 minute, that is more than enough. Okay, I'm just going to close the lid for about 30 seconds and we will come back shortly. Alright, 30 seconds is up. Just want to make sure the leek is fully cooked, yeah? Alright, nice. I'm going to give it a little bit of few dashes of white pepper. Okay. And a little bit of sesame oil. Okay, done. Super fragrant. Okay, I'm going to serve. Alright, so here's my stir fry mixed roast meat with leek. Yeah? If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Happy Chinese New Year to you all. Bye bye.